Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture for the course Introduction to Linguistics. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kalo Irawati, student ID number 2488203035 from the English Education Program at STKIP PGRI Pacitan. This video is presented as part of the Introduction to Linguistics course. In this session, we will discuss what linguistics, what it studies, and why it is important to understand language scientifically. By the end of this video, you are expected to have a basic understanding of linguistics as the study of language. Next, Introduction to Linguistics. Language is an essential part of human life. We use language to communicate ideas, express feelings, and interact with others. However, language is not only something we use, it is also something we can study. In Introduction to Linguistics, we study language scientifically. In this video, we will discuss what linguistics, what it studies, and why it is important. Next, definition of linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. The word scientific means that linguistics is systematic, objective, and based on data and analysis. There are two important points. 1. Linguistics is not about learning one specific language. 2. Linguistics studies how language work. For example, a linguist does not ask, "Is English better than other language?" Instead, a linguist asks, "How does English work and how do humans understand language?" Characteristics of human language. Human language is different from other communication systems. A. Arbitrary. There is no natural connection between words and meaning. For example, book dalam bahasa Inggris, buku dalam bahasa Indonesia, river dalam bahasa French. B. Productive. Language allows us to create new sentences. For example, tomorrow I will drink coffee with my lecturer in the library. C. Systematic. Language follows rules. Example, she eats rice. D. Social and cultural. Language is shaped by society and culture. For example, formal versus informal language. Different ways of addressing people. Next, branch of linguistics. Linguistics has several main branches. 1. Phonetic. The study of speech sound. For example, P in pin, B in pin. 2. Phonology. The study of sound system. For example, prat versus pet. 3. Morphology. The study of word structure. For example, happy and happiness. 4. Syntax. The study of sentence structure. Example, I ate rice. 5. Semantic. The study of meaning. Example, bank, money, or river. 6. Pragmatic. The study of meaning in context. Example, it's hot in tree. Can be a statement or a request. Types of linguistics. Theoretical linguistics focus on language structure and theory. For example, phonology, syntax, and semantic. B. Applied linguistics. Applies linguistics to real-life situation. Language teaching, translation, speech therapy, and language testing. Why is linguistics important? Linguistics is important because it helps us understand how language works, support effective language learning, explain language error, and is us in technology such as AI and speech recognition. Key idea: we use language every day, but linguistics help us understand and how language actually works. In conclusion, linguistics is the scientific study of language. By studying linguistics, we become not only linguistic users, but also critical observers of language. Language is not random. It is systematic, structured, and meaningful. That brings us to the end of this video. Today we learned what linguistics is and why it is important. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.